In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a PowerPoint while in presentation mode, making it easier than ever to make those last minute tweaks during your presentation. First, let's start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Whether you're using Windows or Mac, launch the program as you would any other application. Once the program is open, navigate to the specific presentation that you wish to modify. This could either be from your recent files or by browsing through your computer's directories. When your presentation file is open, go ahead and click on the Present icon, typically found at the bottom right corner of the screen. This button usually resembles a small slideshow icon and will instantly transition your work from edit mode to presentation mode. Once your presentation is live, the real magic happens. If you find yourself needing to make a quick edit while presenting, simply hover your mouse over the bottom left portion of your screen. This action might bring up a few handy features designed to help you navigate through your slides seamlessly. You'll see a toolbar appear, providing access to different navigation tools like moving forward or backwards through your slides, and even options for choosing which specific slide you'd like to jump to in your presentation. For additional options that can provide even more flexibility, perform a right click on your current slide. This action will unfold a whole new menu of possibilities available at your fingertips. Within this context menu, you'll likely find options to zoom in or out, access recent slides, or perhaps utilize annotation tools such as a laser pointer or pen. These tools can be incredibly useful when you want to emphasize important points during your talk. Though we've covered the technical steps, there are a few helpful tips to remember. First, practicing this process before going live with your presentation is a good idea, ensuring that you can navigate these features quickly and confidently when the time comes. Additionally, keeping your equipment reliable and up to date reduces the chances of unexpected tech hiccups that could disrupt your flow. Whether you realize you need to correct a typo, adjust some content, or navigate back and forth between slides with ease, knowing how to edit your PowerPoint while in presentation mode is a powerful skill. You're not just armed with a better presentation tool, but with the confidence to handle any situation that might arise mid-presentation efficiently. Thanks for joining me today, and remember that with these straightforward steps, you can keep your presentation as polished and professional as ever, right until the very last moment.